What's up, guys? Just got my Vincent case, classic master case. You know, from Beauty Plus Supply. Shout out to them. I got the Vonage case, and it's a beauty. I haven't seen any unboxings of these on here, so I thought I'd do one. Get a real detailed look at it. Very, very nice case. Vincent high quality. And unlike the other ones, it doesn't come with the lock, but these are way more durable. And then you can, add your own lock, but way more higher quality, less cheaply made, really screwed in there. Unlike the plastic ones that come with the regular Vincent cases. Pouch the picture, whatever, in areas for your stuff like the other ones. This is what I'm most excited about, the bamboo case it comes with. We're gonna set that aside for later though. And here we are. Has the exclusive pull out. Pull out, have your own little workstation ready to go with room down there to fit tons of things, blow dryers, etc. Put that back in there. We're gonna open up the bamboo case. Very beautiful Vincent bamboo case. Slides out. And look at this beauty. Room for guards, whatever. Oils, extra clippers, little compartment over here with a slide in. Just a beautiful situation. They really outdid themselves with this case. Well worth the money. Got this at a nice, reasonable price off the, like I said, Beauty Plus Salon. I think you should, guys, check it out. Beautiful case. If you're a barber and looking for a solid case, something that'll last you for a while, I think this is the one for you. All right, guys, thanks for looking. I hope you enjoyed the video.